Good morning for the first trading day of 2015. Welcome to Friday, January 2nd, 2015. Hope everyone had a great holiday season and a safe and fun New Year's Eve. So let's jump right into it. As I was talking about on New Year's Eve was oil, crude oil. All right. More specifically, I was looking at the USO, the United States Oil Fund ETF. And yes, this market, of course, has gotten hit. It's gotten killed, right? But we've had some great selling opportunities before this huge decline, okay? If you know anything about what I do and how I personally trade and what I teach inside my programs, you would know that there were phenomenal opportunities on this move to the downside, okay? But I am definitely keeping oil on my radar because I'm looking for some type of snapback, at least back into the blue action zone here, okay? But I'm waiting for a trigger. I'm waiting for an opportunity. I'm not going to just jump in because we don't know how far this market can continue to drop. All I know is the market is stretched beyond belief, right? It's very rare that you see any market trading below the blue action zone for such a long time without at least coming back and touching that zone before dropping again. Or of course, if the market's an up market, a bull market, the same thing to the upside. So we have a very extended market to the downside. And so again, I'm looking for an opportunity to get long in here somewhere, looking for the bounce to at least come back into that blue action zone. So I'm looking for an opportunity where the reward to risk is very favorable, okay? So what I was outlining to you on Wednesday was we saw that inside pattern on the 30th, okay? So I was looking for potentially the 31st to take out that high of 2055 to either 2060 or 2065 to get long with the stop below the lowest low, looking to take this market back up to that blue action zone, which would give you an approximate 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, okay? But as you can see, the market wasn't able to do that. Instead, the market made a lower low, right? And a lower low and a lower high. So we did not get a trade setup, okay? Again, I'm going to continue watching this market because I'm going to look for any opportunity that the market is able to take out the prior bar's high. So on the 31st, the high was $20.42, right? So if today, January 2nd, if the market were to take out 2042 to, let's say, 2052, I would get long with a stop below the 1984. All right? So market was not able to take out the high. Again, instead we got a lower high and a lower low. But if the market were to take out the 2042 to 2052, I would go long, again, with a stop below the 1984 to probably 1979. Okay? So I'm waiting for confirmation that this market wants to at least try to move up into this area in here. Okay? So again, I'm not just buying it, trying to fish for a bottom here. I need to see confirmation. So at this stage of the game, I would be willing to buy above the prior day's high, either today or the next day or the next day, right? It doesn't matter. So let's just assume that today, January 2nd, we create another lower high and lower low. That would mean on Monday I would be looking to buy above the high if the market could penetrate up through that high. Or if the market makes a lower high today but a higher low, we have an inside bar, right? Again, like on the 30th, again, I'd look to be buying up through that high. So I'm looking for any opportunity to get long. So again, I'm waiting for confirmation for the market to penetrate up through that high, okay? So again, oil is on my radar. TECL, let's take a look at TECL. We had a big sell-off on Wednesday. Well, we had a big sell-off in a lot of markets, right? But in this one in particular, this is the tech bull 3 times, okay? Exchange ETF, right? Exchange traded fund. Now, if this market's able to actually open up lower, let's say it closed at 139.20. If it's able to open up lower or even open up unchanged and trade down a little bit, I'd be looking to buy it, looking for a bounce back. Okay, we've had 3 consecutive days now with lower highs and lower lows. Wednesday, of course, having a pretty extreme day to the downside, like most other markets, right? The S&Ps, all markets had a pretty big down Wednesday, okay? So we'll see if we get a snapback. So on TECL, I am looking at this very closely. Plus, if you take a look at the last run up from low to high, we are now sitting between the 38.2 and 50% retracement of this move from low to high. Okay, so on any weakness, on a breakdown through Wednesday's low, I would be looking to buy it. I'm specifically eyeballing 136.63, which is the 50% retracement, again, from this low in here up to this high. All right, hope that helps. Let's see what 2015 brings us. Let's make it the best year ever. Talk to you on Monday.